Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about one of the best website hosting provider, which is Knownhost. So here's the review and the breakdown. The Knownhost is a performance focused hosting provider built for reliability and hand-off management. It offers managed VPS and dedicated hosting with strong uptime, fast server, automatic backup, and the solid security. The pros include the excellent performance, fully managed service, knowledgeable 24/7 support, and a scalable plan that work well for business, developer, and the high traffic site. The downside includes the higher price than budget host, fewer beginner friendly shared plan, and the features that may feel like overkill for small personal site. To my opinion, I actually think the hosting service is worth using if you want or you value reliability, the speed, and the expert support over the cheap price. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.